going on, everybody? This is Sean from BMW of South Austin. On today's episode of Tech Tuesdays, I'll be showing you how to operate the windshield wipers on your BMW. Looking to the right of your steering wheel column, you'll find the windshield wiper stalk. Now, to do one wipe of the windshield wipers, you'll simply click the stalk down once, or you can hold it down and the windshield wipers will wipe for as long as you hold the stalk down. Now, to use the automatic rain sensing function, you'll simply click the stalk up once and the light underneath auto will illuminate, meaning that the rain sensor is on. You can then adjust the sensitivity using the scroller wheel. One more click up from auto will turn on low setting, and another click up will turn on high setting. To spray your windshield wiper, you simply pull the stalk towards you, and the windshield washers will spray for as long as you hold the stalk towards you. Now, if you have one of our sports activity vehicles, you'll have the rear wiper setting located at the end of the stalk. Simply click it up once to turn on the rear windshield wiper, or click all the way up past the resistance point to spray the rear windshield.